Hi there, I'm Brett Bishop, founder of Your On-Call Techspert and co-founder of the Real Estate Academy. And I want to thank you for stopping by and showing your interest in ChatGPT, your digital assistant. This is an amazing interactive virtual workshop where you're going to get all kinds of information and value about how you can launch or grow your real estate business through the power of artificial intelligence with ChatGPT. We're going to be looking at the free version of ChatGPT. We're also going to look at the paid version of ChatGPT known as ChatGPT Plus. The free version is amazing. It will save you all kinds of time and money. And the paid version just takes that a step further and has an immense amount of tools to save you even more time and more money. So we're going to be looking at the full spectrum of ChatGPT. Just for stopping by, you can get a copy of my ebook just by clicking on the link below this video. Go ahead, get your free copy of the ebook, and then continue down the page and register for the class, and I'll see you there.